Certain foods don't fare well in the cold environment of the refrigerator. In fact, some foods can lose their flavor, texture, and nutritional value when stored in chilly temperatures. By knowing the ideal storage conditions for different foods, you can ensure they maintain their quality and taste when it's time to consume them. With that in mind, let's delve into 10 foods that are best kept out of the refrigerator. 1. Tomatoes. To optimize the taste and texture of tomatoes, it's best to keep them out of the fridge. Cold temperatures can diminish their natural sweetness, resulting in a bland flavor. Additionally, refrigeration alters their texture, making them mealy. The delicate balance of enzymes responsible for their taste is disrupted in cold storage, leading to a lack of juicy, vibrant flavor compared to room temperature tomatoes. Moreover, tomatoes are sensitive to cold due to their tropical nature. Refrigeration hampers their ripening process, preventing them from reaching their full flavor potential. Allowing tomatoes to ripen naturally at room temperature enhances their taste. Beyond taste, refrigeration also impacts the nutritional content of tomatoes. These red wonders are rich in antioxidants like lycopene, but cold temperatures can reduce the levels of these beneficial compounds, depriving you of their health benefits. For optimal freshness, store tomatoes at room temperature on the counter or in a fruit bowl, with the stem side down to prevent moisture loss. If they are already ripe and you're not ready to use them, it's acceptable to refrigerate them temporarily, but it's best to bring them back to room temperature before consuming for the most flavorful experience. 2. Onions. Refrigerating onions isn't ideal for several reasons. Firstly, the moisture in the fridge can cause onions to become mushy and promote mold growth. Onions prefer a cool, dry environment rather than a cold, damp one. Cold temperatures also affect the texture and taste of onions. Refrigeration converts starches to sugars, resulting in a sweeter onion. While this may sound appealing, it alters the onion's original flavor profile, making it less versatile for various culinary uses. Another concern is odor absorption. Onions readily absorb surrounding odors, and in the confined space of a fridge, this can lead to an undesirable mixing of flavors. Imagine onion-flavored ice cream or fruit infused with onion. It's not the most appetizing thought. Moreover, refrigeration contributes to onion sprouting. Onions stored in colder conditions tend to sprout more quickly, affecting their shelf life. While sprouted onions may still be edible, their texture and taste can be compromised. If you've cut an onion and want to store the leftovers, refrigeration might seem like the logical choice. However, it's crucial to note that cut onions should be sealed in an airtight container to prevent them from absorbing fridge odors. Otherwise, you risk ending up with onion-flavored leftovers. 3. Garlic. Garlic should not be refrigerated as it can lead to sprouting. Refrigeration encourages garlic to develop green shoots, altering its taste and texture. The cold, damp environment promotes mold growth, affecting the overall quality of the garlic. Additionally, refrigeration can cause garlic to lose its signature flavor. The cold temperatures can convert the garlic's natural sugars into starches, resulting in a less potent taste and diminishing its aromatic qualities that make garlic a culinary staple. Storing garlic in the refrigerator can also increase its moisture content, leading to the formation of rubbery or moldy cloves. This not only affects the taste but can also impact the garlic's longevity. Furthermore, refrigerating garlic may result in the absorption of unwanted odors from nearby foods. Garlic has a porous skin, making it susceptible to picking up flavors from other items in the fridge, compromising its distinct taste and making it less appealing in various dishes. For optimal storage, keep garlic in a cool, dry place with good ventilation. Room temperature, ideally around 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 18 degrees Celsius, is suitable. Store garlic bulbs in a mesh bag or an open container to maintain proper airflow and prevent mold growth. 4. Potatoes. Cold temperatures can convert potato starch into sugar, affecting taste and texture. Potatoes are best stored in a cool, dark place to maintain their natural flavor. Additionally, refrigeration can cause the development of a chemical called acrylamide when potatoes are cooked at high temperatures. Acrylamide is a potential carcinogen and forms more readily in cold-stored potatoes. Keeping them at room temperature reduces this risk. Refrigeration also leads to a higher moisture content in potatoes, promoting the growth of bacteria. Potatoes prefer a dry environment to stay fresh longer. Excess moisture can result in quicker decay and unpleasant odors. Furthermore, the cold air of the refrigerator can negatively impact the enzymes in potatoes, accelerating their breakdown. Storing potatoes outside the fridge helps preserve these enzymes, ensuring better quality and taste when cooked. Potatoes stored in the refrigerator may also develop a gritty texture due to the conversion of starch to sugar. 5. Avocados. Avocados are another food best kept at room temperature rather than in the fridge. Refrigeration hampers their ripening process and alters their texture and flavor. The cold temperature slows down the enzymatic activity responsible for ripening, resulting in avocados staying hard and unripe. When avocados are kept at room temperature, they ripen naturally, developing the creamy texture we all love. Cold storage also dulls the flavor, as the cold can diminish the volatile compounds responsible for their taste. Avocados are unique fruits that ripen post-harvest, and refrigerating them interrupts this process, affecting their quality. The low temperatures can cause the avocado skin to darken, but the inside might remain underripe. Keeping avocados on the counter allows them to reach their ideal ripeness. Avocados are also sensitive to moisture, and refrigeration exposes them to potential moisture buildup, which can lead to mold growth and spoilage. To prevent this, store avocados in a dry environment at room temperature. If you have ripe avocados and don't plan to eat them right away, you can refrigerate them to slow down further ripening. However, it's crucial to use them within a few days to enjoy their optimal taste and texture. 6. Bananas. Bananas are tropical fruits with unique characteristics that make them better suited for room temperature storage. Firstly, bananas thrive in warmer temperatures. Refrigeration can cause the fruit cell walls to break down, turning the skin brown and affecting the texture. Cold temperatures interrupt the ripening process, leading to an altered taste and a less appealing texture. In addition, bananas are ethylene-sensitive fruits. Placing them in the fridge can expose them to ethylene-producing fruits and vegetables, accelerating ripening unevenly. This results in a ripe exterior but an underripe interior, compromising the fruit's overall quality. Refrigeration also impacts the flavor profile of bananas. The cold environment suppresses the enzymes responsible for the development of their sweet taste. Room temperature allows these enzymes to work optimally, giving you the full natural sweetness that bananas are known for. Additionally, the skin of refrigerated bananas may darken quickly, giving the impression of overripeness. However, this doesn't necessarily reflect the quality of the fruit inside. Storing bananas at room temperature helps maintain a consistent appearance and ensures a better overall eating experience. In terms of nutritional value, bananas are rich in essential nutrients. Refrigeration can lead to nutrient loss, particularly in terms of antioxidants and other vital compounds. To maximize the health benefits of bananas, it's best to store them in a cool and dry place. 7. Bread. Refrigerating bread is often counterproductive. Storing bread in the fridge accelerates staling as cold temperatures make the starch in bread crystallize faster, leading to a dry and tough texture. Moisture is bread's natural enemy, and refrigeration introduces humidity, making the loaf soggy. Furthermore, the fridge can spoil the flavor of bread as it absorbs odors from its surroundings. Storing it with other items can make it taste and smell strange. Keeping bread out of the fridge preserves its original taste. While the cold environment in the fridge doesn't halt the aging process, it alters it. Although the fridge slows down mold growth, it accelerates the retrogradation of starch, causing the bread to go stale faster when brought back to room temperature. Freezing is a better alternative if you won't finish the loaf anytime soon. Freeze slices in a sealed bag to suspend the aging process without compromising texture and taste. When ready to eat, thaw at room temperature. 8. Honey. Refrigeration can cause honey to crystallize faster. Cold temperatures encourage the sugar in honey to form crystals, altering its texture and making it gritty. Storing honey at room temperature slows down this crystallization process, preserving its smooth and liquid consistency. Another crucial fact is honey's hygroscopic nature, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air. Refrigeration reduces humidity, potentially diluting honey and altering its taste. Keeping honey in a cool, dry place ensures its original flavor and quality remain intact. Furthermore, honey's low pH, ranging from 3 to 4, creates an acidic environment hostile to bacteria. This acidity acts as a natural preservative, eliminating the need for refrigeration to prevent spoilage. Honey has been historically used as a food preservative due to these inherent qualities. Refrigerating honey can also lead to complications when using it, as cold honey is thicker and less pourable, making it inconvenient for drizzling or mixing with other ingredients. Room temperature honey is more versatile and easier to incorporate into various recipes. 9. Uncut melons. Chilling melons can diminish their flavor and sweetness by suppressing natural sugars, resulting in a less enjoyable taste experience. Additionally, refrigeration can alter the melon's texture, making it mushy and less juicy, thus reducing the crispness and refreshing bite characteristic of perfectly ripe melons. Uncut melons thrive at room temperature, maintaining optimal texture and flavor while allowing the natural ripening process to continue, preserving peak taste and quality. Refrigerating whole melons may also impact their nutritional content, potentially reducing certain nutrients like antioxidants and vitamins. Storing uncut melons at room temperature is safe due to the protective outer rind, which shields the inner fruit from contaminants. To extend the lifespan of uncut melons, store them in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to retain freshness, flavor, texture, and nutritional value. 10. Olive oil. Refrigerating olive oil is unnecessary and could potentially compromise its quality. Olive oil has a low freezing point, causing it to solidify in the fridge, which alters its texture. Although this change doesn't harm the oil, it can be inconvenient for immediate use. Moreover, cold temperatures can induce condensation inside the oil container, introducing water. The presence of water in olive oil fosters the growth of bacteria and molds, putting its freshness and flavor at risk. Storing olive oil in a cool, dark place is sufficient to maintain its quality. Additionally, refrigeration can cause olive oil to become cloudy, but this does not indicate spoilage. The cloudiness dissipates when the oil returns to room temperature. Cold temperatures may also solidify any waxes present in the oil, but this process is reversible and does not affect the oil's quality. Olive oil's composition naturally discourages bacterial growth, making it resistant to spoilage at room temperature. The antioxidants and polyphenol in olive oil act as natural preservatives, ensuring its longevity without refrigeration. It's evident that not all foods thrive in the chilly confines of the fridge. Understanding the optimal storage conditions for each item ensures they retain their flavor and nutritional value. From keeping tomatoes on the countertop to storing honey in the pantry, proper storage practices enhance the quality of your food. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.